Okay, guys, so now we're here for the adults. Okay, we got the adult gardening set, okay? So it has everything you could possibly need. This is everything you can get all from the same brand, okay? Garden Guru. So you got the rake, you got something to dig the holes with, you got the clippers, you got even the thing to make the hole and loosen the dirt with, gloves, knee pads, everything you could possibly need to get your gardening done right. So you can see my mother here. She starts off with the rake, goes to town. She has the two different types of shovels. She even has the little stake to start the holes with, kind of loosens up the ground. And then look, those make perfect holes for putting plants in. So if you're potting, you're depotting, I guess it would be called. You're taking them from a pot into there and literally able to fill up the holes. One, two, three. Like she just went to town. She has the gloves, no dirt got on her. She loves them, and she used the knee pads here. You can see, just keeps your knees protected, cushions them. She was in her glory with this. Like she was so happy. I let her keep all the tools and stuff like that. So my mom is like really into that. And look, it's easy way to pull out like tough weeds. And this kind of just hacks down um any like type of bushes or that you might need to trim. Makes it super easy. These tools were great. She was obsessed. So she's the gardener in the house. So she gave this all of it a thumbs up, a thumbs up. Great quality. They feel like they're gonna last a really long time. Again, the knee pads, the gloves were everything. So we were super. Or should I say, she was super happy. She normally comes to my house and does all the gardening for me. So I let her keep all the tools and so forth. Loved it.